Good morning everybody, coming to you almost live from this absolutely beautiful free camp that I've been staying at. The free camps here just keep getting better and better. They are so lovely. I'm just kind of nestled in a bit of a rainforest at the moment. It's warm, there's a river over there, the birds sound beautiful, and it's just so peaceful and tranquil. I just haven't wanted to leave, but I will pack up camp. I'll show you guys this beautiful river I've been camping by, and there's so many waterfalls to check out in this area as well, and I think we'll do some fishing. So let's start the day and we'll spend it out in nature. All packed away, and now we'll head down to the river. It is just so incredibly beautiful. We did just go by a sign that said Guide Falls, and I don't think I've ever gone by a waterfall sign and not pulled in and sat by it. So here we are, we're at Guide Falls, and for the rest of the afternoon after this, we're actually going to go trout fishing. This is the river that we're going to fish at for the next few hours. It actually is very, very beautiful here, but before we get into it, I do need to get changed because I did just buy some waders. They're basically like overalls that you don't get wet, so I'm going to be out amongst it, and hopefully that means a bigger chance of catching a fish. So if you can't already tell, guys, I'm taking this very seriously. I did do a lot more research. Apparently the best time for trout fishing is actually in another month or two, but it's obviously not impossible to catch them now. So because there is so many river systems here, I just thought every time I go by one, I'm just gonna have a flick and hope for the best, which is what I'm gonna spend the next couple of hours doing. So this is obviously to keep me dry. I'll be able to go up to waist deep in the water, although it doesn't look that deep here. Let's test them out, and then I'll go get the rod and the camera, the other camera. Actually, I'm probably scaring the trout away, but I think we'll fish up over there anyway, where that little waterfall section is. So cool. It's also so beautiful here, guys. I'll grab all my stuff and I reckon we'll go up over there. I did actually just go and put some trackies on underneath this because you could still feel how cold the water is. So this is actually the third state in Australia where I've tried for a trout, which further adds to the suspension of how excited I'm going to be when I finally get one. I tried in the New South Wales high country, Vic high country, and obviously now here. Like I said, I would absolutely love to get one on the lure, and I'm going to keep trying definitely for the next month. But if I have to go to fly fishing, then I will do that. But if you guys have any other suggestions, advice, anything other than what I'm doing right now, please comment below and let me know. But for now, let's head a little bit further upstream and we'll try it there. While I didn't catch a trout this day, let me just tell you guys, I have been putting in the hard yards. I've kept persisting and changed a few things up. I think my leader was far too big, so now I'm using 8 pounds and I bought a heap more lures and trying a lot of different locations, starting with this stream here. Guys, I can actually see trout chasing it. They just don't want it. What? I've seen about 3. They're not big, but I'd still like to catch one of them. I then went down to Central Highlands and fished in the pouring rain when all of a sudden, I wish, just some seaweed. I thought the cooler temperature and the rainfall might bring them on, but nope. I actually did hook a fish here at Arthur's Lake, but unfortunately I did drop it. And I dropped it probably about here. Spewing! This lure is actually a pretty good bite. Swims really well. Guys, I just seen a trout follow it the whole way in and it just turned right at the last minute. This is such a tease. Going around that tree. Come on. I'm so close, guys. But the vibes are still high and I'm enjoying the journey regardless, but my next trout fishing episode will definitely be my first one. And the quest for a trout does continue. It was actually beautiful just being by the river anyway. I'm going to get out of these clothes because we're going to go to one more location. The adventure's not stopping here. It actually doesn't get dark till well after 9 o'clock here in Tassie, which is perfect. So we've still got a couple hours left. We're going to go to what is known as the best waterfall in the area. This is already so beautiful with all these ferns around. Green is actually my favorite color. How can it not be? This is only a short walk down to the end. It's 1k there and 1k back. And now down to the main attraction. This is so beautiful, guys. And now for the walk back up. There is actually a campground that's just a few kilometers away from here, so we'll sleep there tonight. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I actually have no idea where this is taking me right now, guys. I think this leads back to a main road. Hopefully the campground is somewhere down here. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Where am I going? Let's just have a look down here. Found it, and we're right by this river. I must have looped around and gone some wrong track because I'm pretty sure this is the river that flows off that waterfall. Such a nice spot. And leftover spag bowl for dinner. Yum. How good is this, guys? It's going to be so nice sleeping listening to the river. And when it gets to this time of the night as well, it actually does cool off quite a lot. So it's really nice to sleep, but it is really hard to get out of bed in the morning because you're just so cozy. Today was really fun. Like always, it's so beautiful here. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you for being here, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.